Hi, thanks so much for tuning in to my latest video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the spring CAUSEBOX. I have opened this and I do know what is inside. So I'm going to be sharing some of my first impressions of the products in the box. CAUSEBOX, if you don't know, is a seasonal subscription box. Every season you receive a box that has anywhere from 7 to 9 different items from socially conscious companies. So I'll leave all the information about CAUSEBOX down in the description, and we're just gonna get started and show you what is in here. So this box looks a lot like what a FabFitFun box looks like as far as the packaging and the size of the box. The inside of the box is very pretty. The outside has a nice decoration as well. Each box comes with like a little magazine that tells you more about the products inside. So here is the magazine from this box. It has information about all the different products. It also talks about the different brands and the causes that they support as well. The first item that is in the box is from Glass Ladder & Co. and it is a PETA approved vegan leather portfolio clutch stylishly designed for work and play. I'm really excited that I received this. It's very nice. It feels very expensive. The magazine doesn't provide any information about like how much an item costs, so I would have to look that up after this. But as you can see, it's rather large. It has a ton of pockets, places for cards, places for pens. You could put like an iPad in here. It feels really nice. It has a good weight to it. This is a very nice product, and I know that I will definitely be using it. The second product in the box is by Cosmedix, and it is a mask and scrub combo made from bamboo extract, and it is designed to achieve clinical results with natural ingredients. The back of the box says it has bamboo stem extract, niacinamide, and a really long word that I cannot say. But just looking at the back, there's definitely a lot of interesting ingredients like lactic acid. We got some grapefruit, some orange. So those are different ways that you can exfoliate your skin naturally with like acidic fruits. Again, I've never tried this brand. If you've tried this, leave a comment letting me know what you think about it. Letting us all know what you think about it. Let's see. This is a silk scarf. Let's see if you can see kind of the pattern on here. It is by Cleobella. It is a vegan silk. Right now scarves are having a moment. A lot of people are, you know, putting them in their hair, or you can like obviously wear it as a scarf. You can tie it around a bag. This is very pretty and I'm very excited about it. This next item is from Ettitude, and it is a 100% organic bamboo sleep mask. They say it is made from the softest material they have ever felt, and it is pretty darn soft. This will be nice for like traveling. If I make my husband drive and I can sleep in the car. Yeah, right. The kids would never let me sleep in the car. Okay, this is a Wyld sponge. It is a powerful yet gentle exfoliating facial sponge made from renewable plant root and French pink clay. And it says it is baked to perfection like a cookie, which is kind of funny. I've seen some other YouTubers talk about this. I feel like Sarah Therese, I feel like she's mentioned these before, but I could be wrong. Don't quote me on it. And this is from Altru, and it is a macrame plant hanger, so that you can hang your plants. So this product funds a charitable project that helps create a better world. So they plant trees. This particular product is linked to one tree planted. They plant trees in California and areas that have been most affected by the recent wildfires, which it's been pretty bad. I would say I won't be using this for 2 reasons, and that is because I kill all the plants. I could maybe do like an artificial plant, but it's also like not my style. This is a little more bohemian than I like to decorate with, so I might try to find a friend who will like this. Okay, the last item from the box is this really pretty print postcard. It's an Alja Horvat print, and it is a CAUSEBOX exclusive art print by a Slovenian illustrator. And yeah, it's just really pretty. I like the colors in here, so that's nice. So now that we have seen all the items in the box, I was just going to tell you what I think of the box so far. I believe I paid maybe like $54, around that, for the box. The box contained 9 items. I would say from the 9 items, I will use 8 of them, which is pretty good number wise. I can't speak to the value because there's no prices listed. I do plan on doing an update like after I use some of the like masks and the sponge and stuff like that, just to kind of let you know how it worked for me. And then I'm also going to do like a comparison between CAUSEBOX and FabFitFun. That'll probably come in like several months actually. After I get another CAUSEBOX, which will probably be in like another 3 months. That way we can decide which box is right for you. They are kind of expensive, so if you're not able to buy both, it would be nice to know which box would probably be the better fit for you and your lifestyle. So that is my spring CAUSEBOX unboxing. If you have any questions, any comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. I love comments. So, you know, you got something to say, you can say it. If you like these types of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And of course, I'd love it if you would subscribe, but you already knew that. So thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.